students, we are going to see the worksheet number 4. The lesson is People's Revolt. First question, the political cause of the Great Revolution of 1857 is C option, policy of doctrine of lapse. Second question, the Governor General who took action to suppress the revolt of 1857. C option, Lord Canning. And third question, who opposed the British at Parakpur in 1857? B. Mangal Pandey. Which of the following statement did not cause the revolution of 1857? So D option led to the emergence of model national movement. So others are causes for the revolution of 1857. And fifth question, find out the links given to the Vellore revolt. Answer is B option. The sons of Tipu Sultan helped the Palayakaras. Select the correct answer from the notes and write. Here some names are given. So we have to choose it from that for the following question. Theeran Chinnamalai was a Kongu Nadu Palayakarar and he was called as a line of Sivaganga. Chinnamarudu. The commander of Velu Nachiar's force was Kuili. Minister of Kattabomman was Siva Subramaniam. The place where the brothers of Kattabomman escaped from prison is Kamuthi. And next question, identify the person by using the clues given. First clue is, the first queen to fight against British colonial rule in India is Velu Nachiar and known as Jhansi Rani of South India. Velu Nachiar is the answer. Arrange the events in chronological order. The first event is conflict of Pulithevar and second one conflict of Kattabomman and third one is Vellore revolt. Conflict of Marudu brother is the fourth event. So answer is D option. Fill in the blanks. Ninth question. Number of polems under Madurai Nayaks were. So totally they have 72 polems. And 10th question. The first Indian king to defeat the British, Pulithevar, was the first king who defeated the British. And 11th question. The revolt of 1857 began from Parakpur. Analyze whether the following statements are true or false. First one, Meerut was the last area captured by the British. False. The English were in complete triumph after the revolution of 1857. True. And after the revolution, the ruling power of the East India Company was handed over to the Queen Victoria. True. And Queen Lakshmi Boy was killed by the British in April 1857. False. Match the following. Write the answers that fits correctly. The first question, Pulithevan, Netkattum Seval Fort. Kattabomman, Panjalam Kurichi Fort. Velu Nachiar, Sivagangai Fort. And Theeran Chinnamalai, Sangahiri Fort. Marudu Brothers, Tirupattur Fort. Next question, match the list 1 with the match 2. Delhi, Lucknow, Kanpur and Jhansi la British officials yaaryareல்லாம் fight பண்ணாங்க அப்படிங்கறதா. So answer is B option 3, 4, 1, 2. Next, picture analysis. Write the names of the revolutions associated with the given pictures. So here the first picture is Vellore Fort. So it's about the Vellore revolt 1806. And second picture is about the revolt, the military rules. So the revolt of 1857. And next picture is the two brothers. They were called as Marudu brothers. So it's about the South Indian rebellion. It's happened between 1800 to 1801. And look at the picture and answer the following. How did the greasy coating cartridges cause the revolt? The rumors spread about the cartridges were greased by the fat of pig and the cow. So this only is a rumor spread across the soldiers. And B question, investigate how the revolt was successful for the Indians. So in fact it was failed also. The revolt of 1857 played an important role in bringing the Indian people together. The first time the people they joined together to oppose the British. So this is the successful for Indians. And look at the picture and answer it. Here the picture is about Rani Lakshmi Bai. The name of the queen in the picture is Rani Lakshmi Bai. The area that led by her in the revolt is Jhansi and Gwalior. Next question is analysis the statement. Statement 1, the accused turban was the immediate cause of the Vellore revolt. And statement 2, at the end of the revolt, the British accepted the demand of the soldiers. So read the statements and choose the correct one from the following answers. So the correct answer is C option. Statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. And the causes for the failure of the revolt of 1857. So first cause என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, lack of unity and integration and lack of military strength. So both are correct answer. The Indians they doesn't have the both. Next statement, the activities of the Christian missionary group were the cause of the revolt in 1857. Reason, Islamic scholars do not exaggerate this. So the answer is, the statement is correct and the reason is incorrect. Yes, it's first about Christian missionary and next is something they are saying about the Islamic scholars. And next caption they are given, Revolution of 1857. Which action offended the religious sentiments of Indian soldiers? New Enfield rifles. And who was declared the Emperor of India by the soldiers of Meerut? Bahadur Shah II. And what was the main reason for Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai to take part in the revolt? Jhansi annexed on the basis of doctrine of lapse because she doesn't have her own hair. So that's why it was the Rani Lakshmi Bai joined in the revolt. And fourth question, when was the British rule re-established in India? 1858. And what do you consider to be the most important result of the revolt? So the main result is the company rule came to end and the power shifted to the British government. And read the paragraph and answer it. The revolt of 1857 marked a turning point in the history of India. It paved the way for changes in the administration system and government policies. The first question is, how was the Governor General called after the revolt? The Viceroy. English military policy is divide and rule. Magna Carta of India in 1858 was Queen Victoria's proclamation. Analysis and give reason for it. One of the reasons for the defeat of the revolution of 1857 was the non-participation of all sections of India. Explain. Yes, the South Indians and educated Indians, they didn't participate in the revolt of 1857. And second question, write the similarities between the immediate cause of the Vellore rebellion of 1806 and the Great Revolution of 1857. The soldiers didn't allow to put religious mark on their forehead. The soldiers didn't allow to have the beard and mustache of the religious beliefs. And the introduction of new military policy and turban. And here the introduction of Gender Service Endorsement Act 1856 and new Enfield rifle introduction also calls for the Great Revolt of 1857. And use seconds to answer the following and mark the places in outline map of India. So இங்க கொடுக்கப்பட்டுள்ள places I have marked, so you can copy it. And below that map some questions were asked, so that is answer. We have to find the correct place answer. First question, where was the Great Revolt begin in 1857? Meerut. Bahadur Shah II led the revolt at Delhi. The area ruled by Rani Lakshmi Bai is Jhansi. And then fourth question is, Nana Sahib presided over the place Kanpur. The place where the young soldier revolted Thank you students. For more videos, subscribe our channel.